So I wanted to shoot a quick video for those of you that are carving with a Dewalt 660 and you're thinking about changing the model to something else and you're curious about the sound. The 660 is pretty loud, right? So you know, if you're sitting in your workshop for a period of time, it's probably good to have like some kind of earpiece in your ear so you don't get deaf. But I wanted you to hear the difference in the 660 compared to the Makita. All right, so I'm going to turn on the 660. And now I'm going to turn on the Makita so you can hear this one. Total difference. This thing's so quiet. You can barely hear it. So that was on 3. No comparison. Makita is so quiet, way more powerful. Obviously it's adjustable speed, but this thing, it's done its job, that's for sure, but it is extremely loud. But I will be using the Makita obviously on the Onefinity when it comes. But yeah, if you're looking to upgrade, that Makita router is phenomenal. So hopefully if you're in the market and you're trying to question sound, there you go. Thanks for watching.